Hello world! Yes, it's Daisy and Renee right now. It's Daisy and Renee, yeah.
Actually, it's Powerpuff Girl. Shut up.
So, we saw everybody making YouTube videos, so we decided to make one of our own. Yeah.
Yeah, we were so bored. And we're so cool.
Yeah, like 3 in the morning right now. Like,
yeah.
Dude,
Yeah, like
3 in the morning.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we decided to make a random video. And you know, I have to wear my sun shades because that's how fly I am.
Then I took on my geeky glasses because that's how
Geeked
cool.
up. She's so geeked up, you know what I mean? She's so geeked up. You know what I mean? She's feeling it. So, yeah.
She's feeling me, too.
You guys, yeah, you talk to her real quick. Give me a minute.
Sup, my peoples? Sup? I know I'm geek right now. But it'd be so cool if you wear like for one day. You can be like a personality, cause like most of the time I'm always bored. Always people. I'm serious. But I have this cool friend. I just call her Buttercup Stalker. She's a cool person. Well, Daisy's back. Let's let her what she has to say.
Like I'm about to drink. Let me get the camera. She's about to drink. Yeah, we're about to name all the people out there that we love.
Number 1!
Imani.
No.
Oh.
I love her and all that. She's not
The first would be the what? Yeah.
Okay, come on, your videos are funny. I showed her. She's always cussing about it and stuff.
I don't mind though.
First off, we want to do that video. Love people out there.
Yeah. And you guys think we're not sisters? That's good, because we're not.
Who we are. She's adopted. Well, I'm adopted.
Well, yeah.
I'm the lucky one in the family.
But when it comes to her dad, I'm adopted.
Yeah. But, so, this is all for now.
And this is Daisy Powerpuff.